Alright, this video is going to cover graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon compressed to different hardnesses, aka a pencil. Pencils come in different hardnesses, and the hardness is usually marked with a number and a letter. This is an 8B pencil, so it's very dark. Here's a 4B pencil, so it's pretty dark. 3B. This is HB, so it's right in the middle. That's what your regular old yellowed pencil is. And then this is a 2H pencil, so it's quite light. So the softer the pencil is, the darker it's going to be, and those are the B pencils. And then the harder the pencil is, the lighter it's going to be, and those are the H pencils. So we've got a range. Let's review some basic pencil things. Here I am using a 4B pencil, so it's fairly dark. And I can use both the tip and the side of my pencil to put that graphite on paper. Remember to change the way you're holding the pencil to get those different effects. I'm going to start with a 2H pencil, which is very hard, but that also means it's very light. So even if I push hard, I'm going to have a very light line. I can use an HB pencil to line weight what I'm doing. And I'll slowly build up from there. So artists can achieve different values by varying the pressure they put on a pencil, but we can also use pencils of different hardnesses to help us achieve very light, very dark, and all the values in between. So here I'm switching to a softer pencil, meaning a darker pencil. It's a 4B, and you can see that shade goes in a lot easier with that softer pencil. I can get it darker quicker. And then if I want a really dark shadow, I can use this 8B pencil. So once again, I'm starting with the 2H pencil, and you'll notice I used a piece of scratch paper to cover up my previous drawing so that I didn't smear it. Going in with my HB to line weight. And here I'm going to introduce a technique called cross-hatching. So cross-hatching is when you develop shades using line. Instead of using like the side of your pencil, I'm using lines going in one direction and then lines going in another direction, and I'm layering them on top of each other to darken. I can go in again, lines going in one direction, lines going in the opposite direction, and that will cause a shade. When you're done with your graphite drawing, slip it into a piece of newsprint so that it doesn't smear. Let's look at some artists who use graphite. This is Adona Care. This is Matteo Pizarro. Jean-Michel Basquiat. And this is an artist who goes by Frido. This is a graphite drawing. See what you can do with pencils.